Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week's topic, teamwork and collaboration. In the world of auto repair, teamwork and collaboration are not just buzzwords. They are crucial elements that can significantly enhance the performance of technicians and improve overall efficiency in the shop. When technicians work together effectively, sharing knowledge, supporting each other, and fostering a collaborative environment, the results are remarkable. In this video, we will explore the importance of teamwork and collaboration in an auto repair shop and discuss practical ways to enhance performance through cohesive teamwork. Leveraging individual strengths. Every technician brings a unique set of skills, experience, and expertise to the table. By recognizing and leveraging these individual strengths, the shop can operate at its full potential. Encourage technicians to communicate their strengths and areas of expertise, allowing the team to assign tasks accordingly. When everyone works in their area of strength, efficiency and quality of work increase, benefiting both the technicians and the customers. Effective communication. Clear and open communication is the cornerstone of successful teamwork. Encourage technicians to communicate openly with one another, sharing information, challenges, and insights. A culture of open communication helps prevent misunderstandings, reduces errors, and fosters a collaborative environment. Utilize tools like team meetings, digital platforms, and group chats to facilitate effective communication and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Knowledge sharing. In the ever-evolving field of auto repair, knowledge is power. Encourage technicians to share their knowledge and experiences with their colleagues. Regularly organize training sessions or workshops where technicians can present new techniques, tools, or diagnostic procedures they have learned. This knowledge sharing not only expands the skill set of the entire team, but also promotes a sense of camaraderie and mutual support. Collaborative problem solving. Automotive repairs often present complex challenges that require collaborative problem solving. Encourage technicians to approach difficult tasks as a team, brainstorming and discussing potential solutions. Collaboration allows for the pooling of ideas, different perspectives, and innovative approaches, ultimately leading to faster and more effective problem solving. By creating a supportive environment where all ideas are valued, technicians will feel empowered to contribute their insights and expertise. Mutual support and respect. Teamwork flourishes when there is a foundation of mutual support and respect among technicians. Encourage technicians to actively support and assist each other when needed. Foster a culture where constructive feedback is given and received with respect, focusing on continuous improvement rather than criticism. When technicians feel supported and respected, they are more likely to work together cohesively, leading to enhanced performance and job satisfaction. In the world of auto repair, teamwork and collaboration are vital for enhancing performance in the repair shop. By leveraging individual strengths, fostering effective communication, sharing knowledge, promoting collaborative problem solving, and cultivating a culture of mutual support and respect, technicians can create a high-performing team that delivers exceptional results. Remember, when technicians work together cohesively, the entire shop benefits, from increased efficiency and customer satisfaction to personal growth and professional development. Embrace the power of teamwork and watch your repair shop thrive. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.